wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, so before we would like to start our class, let's we recite basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, next we would like to check the attendance. First, Nazifa.
Present.
Okay. Raihana.
Present, Miss.
Okay, and then Randy. It's not come. And then Alin. Present. Okay. Raka. Not come. And then Chantika.
Present, Miss.
And then Azaria. And then Montes.
Present.
Okay, so first of all, I wanna ask you, how about your mood today, guys? Anyone here feel happy?
50-50.
50-50. Okay, the other, how do you feel?
Oh yeah, very happy.
Very happy. Every day. Okay. How about the behind there, Chantika? Are you happy
Very
today?
sleepy.
So sleepy today. Okay.
Always.
Always. So before we start our class, do you remember what we learned before this class?
No.
Okay. Can we talk about expressing
Oh yeah,
Expressing.
in ten?
Yeah,
Yeah, correct. We learn about expressing intention. Okay, but before we start our lesson, and then I would like to remind you guys that in this class we need to do our best. Be respectful to each other, engage actively, stay responsible, and think positive. Okay. Next start point. This is for our project, and then this one. Because you kind of forget about the lesson that we learned before, let's we do the quiz that make you remember what we learned at the previous meeting. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, you can scan, or you can join with the code above. Okay. So, wait a minute. Where's the? Okay. You already scan it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready? Because I wanna try to play. I wanna start to play. Okay. Can you? Oh, it's already playing? Okay. Why is it? Okay. So you guys already doing the
Yes.
quiz? Okay. Okay. can you see the? Have you finished all?
Yes.
Finished.
Ini peringkat 1.
Sampai ke sana. Okay, good. Okay. So can you see the result of the no? Oh yeah, okay. You can see the result, right?
Nilai
Okay.
100.
Okay, so you can see the result, and then we try to talk about the question, right? The first of all, what is the meaning of expressing intention? So, do you guys answer it right? Yes. This is for showing plans, goal, or intention for the future. And then, which sentence express an intention? Do you guys right? Or anybody here wrong?
Right.
Right? Correct?
Right.
Okay. And then, which expression can be used to express intention?
Want to.
Correct. And then, choose the correct formula for want to. What is it?
For one. Use for one.
Peringkat 1.
2 for one.
Ya.
Okay. So, how about want without S? What subject you use for want without S?
Because the subject
The subject for want without S.
yes,
yes.
we, you, and then
Yes, that's correct.
They,
Yeah,
they,
that's
she,
correct. How about the want with S?
she, he,
Oh yeah, correct. Then next, which sentence use be going to?
they are.
Yeah. So this is like subject, and then there's to be and going to, and then verb one, and then which sentence use would like to correctly? This
I would like to travel abroad.
Yeah, that's right. The formula is like the above, right? Like the subject, and then would like to, and then verb one. And then number 7, which sentence use plan to correctly?
Plan to visit my friend with plan.
Okay. And then how about number 8? Do you guys answer it right? Number 8?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So above their space.
Okay. And then the last one. Are you guys answer it right?
Yes.
Yeah. Anybody here wrong?
Aku dengar.
So all of you already understand about what we learned before, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any question? No?
Peringkat
Okay.
1 dapat apa, Miss?
Tika.
And then
Kenapa sih harus tanya dari
Apa?
harus tanya
next. Okay, so our learning objective, this is to understand the meaning of expressing intention, and you guys already know about it. And then identify the function of expressing intention, you already know also. And then understand the structure and language feature. This is like the structure of the word. And then use expressing intention in daily life. So at the end, you guys need to know how to use expressing intention in daily life. Okay. And then this is a little bit of remembering of the previous meeting that expressing intention is show or have plans, goals, or intention in the future. And then you guys use want to, and then be going to, and then you also use the would like to, and then plan to. Okay. So you need to remember the structure, guys. Like the subject would like to verb 1. And then when you use the plan to, you need also the subject, the plan to, and then verb 1 also. The example is like, we plan to visit my grandma. Something like that. Okay. And then now it's time to practice. Okay, so there's how many students? 7, right? 7 students here. So we need to make a 2 group. Okay, this is the group 1, and then this is the group 2. Okay.
Okay.
You need to make the same. What is it? You need to sit like around closely. Yeah. You need to sit. Yeah. Oh, you need to sit closely. Please sit closely.
Lah,
Dia nggak mau katanya.
ya wes, kita yang Mbak.
Okay, and then this one.
Cipa, taruh tas ke mana?
Yes.
Kasih buat nih. Sorry, sorry ya.
Oh,
Parah ya Mbak Rumi katanya.
yeah. Okay, so you need to ready, guys. Are you ready? Okay, you need to close with each other. Please make two
Kan sedang
group.
lama, nggak bisa mikir.
Okay. Apa GPT?
Astaga, anak SMA belum kenal.
No. Wow, what is that? You cannot use GPT.
Kita cuma kenal diri.
Okay. Are you ready? So let's read the instruction first, okay? So first of all, work with your group to create your future plan to achieve your dream career. When you write your answer, everyone need to use. What is first of all? You need to use yes, and then use
Would like to.
yes, and then use
Plan to.
and then use
Be going to.
yes, and then the first step from a group with your classmate, discuss and choose one career. Please choose one career. For example, maybe doctor, teacher,
Presiden sih.
president. You can use it. Okay.
Nggak ada yang tahu.
Jadi menteri.
And then you need to complete part A and complete part R and part B together. So use English in all answer, and then the last one present your plans to the class, and you will get star point if you active in the class. Star point. This is the star point. Okay. Yeah. So number one, what career does your group choose? You understand, right? Number one. Okay. What career does your group choose? And the number two is by the reason. The reason why you choose the career, and then the number three, what skill are needed for this career? And then number four, what subject? You know subject, right? Subject is not.
Want to be educated.
Okay. And then the last one, my future plan. Nah, this is the plan, your plan to achieve the career that you need. Okay, that's just reflections. Okay, so what?
Career.
So you have
Biasanya
three minutes to do it. Okay.
Maksudnya paham bahasanya gitu.
Tapi harusnya bisa mengajar.
Iya, bisa mengajar.
Bisa bahasa Inggris?
Ya bisa mengajar.
Paham.
Punya apa?
Kayak communication.
Banyak itu.
Banyak hubungan rusak karena komunikasi.
Okay. And then everyone, you already have 3 star point for each student. This is because you already active at the previous meeting, and then now if you have later, if you will present your work here, you will get 1 star point also. Okay. So yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
What subjects are important for this career?
Yeah.
What the meaning of this?
The subject. So what you want to be?
Like
What kind? Oh, so you choose entrepreneur, right? So what subject that will support your career? For example, entrepreneur. So you need to know about the
Emang kita mau ke anak-anak?
entrepreneurship. Yes, entrepreneurship, something like that. Yes, it's subject, school subject. You know. Oh, like subject. Yeah.
Learn something.
Yes, learn something. But we call it subject, right? It's subject. Kamu
Penuh ya?
okay, so
What you
are you good?
Yes.
Okay.
Harusnya ya.
What you wanna be?
Teacher.
Okay.
Are the next
Tapi yang akan selesai
subjects.
Yes, subject.
Like chapters or like subjects like
It's like, for example, you want to be a teacher, right? So you
Subject are
take you find teacher in English, right? So you need to understand English. Subject in school. Yes.
Tekanan kepala kan.
we're going to
language.
yes.
The differences language kan.
apa?
Kan di situ
Kan kelas 10,
Jadi cerita kita kelas 10.
Iya kan itu kan masih
Oh iya,
so berarti
Apa ini?
year tahun ini
kelas 10 belajar.
we're going to be
Regular.
Iya, regular. Apa? Iya. Finish
finish this
di semester.
Oh, graduation.
with ini. Enggak dong, kan with grade. Good grade.
Finishing.
nilainya sudah
Finish atau finishing?
finish kok finishing
Yeah.
You guys.
Oh yes, you went to
make
very good
Real business ya,
yes, you can do it.
Saya itu kasih permicu. Biasanya itu mana saya di kelas biasanya.
Enggak niat ini.
Parah.
Nulisnya.
begitu tuh berapa
Ini kan ini ada
Will be plan
Membuat produk
aja gitu.
Udah bikin produk aja.
kayak
Studi banding ke Bandung.
Iya.
Terus saya banding.
Misal.
enggak dong ini field trip gak sih
Study resort abroad. Jangan ke Bandung, ke luar negeri
Ya
biasa.
wes.
study board
Jadi
Oh enggak, kalau enggak ini aja magang ke historical place kan, jadi kayak bisa.
apa kita SMA bukan SMK?
Kan bisa, aku dulu ada SMP ya.
Enggak eksploitasi.
Terus apa dong?
Okay.
Nah, itu kelas 11 tuh wayai
ini gak sih ini bukan ke kampus ini
Yes, like apa nih?
Ini kampus tur. Iya kampus tur.
oh iya bisa kampus tuh sih misalnya ke UGM
Kampus banding.
kampus tuh
Ya, kampus tuh.
masa UGM tuh misalnya tuh di kelas 12
Iya,
aku ini aja tapi suka sama gitu loh my
After
friend
graduation coba
Masa
di university banyak graduation masuk ke universitas.
Apa ya? Something fun, di something fun.
Terus universitas apa jalan?
Okay, everybody, time is up.
Oh.
Okay, oh, it's okay. You can improve here. Okay, improve here. So now the agenda is we need to present. Okay, first of all, I want to ask anybody here want to present? Okay, so
Nah, ini tanggal lahirnya sama loh. Tanggal lahir, bulan, tahun.
Sikat proyeknya.
inscribe.
Ya, kelompok satu dulu, kelompok satu.
Yeay.
Kelompok satu dulu.
Saya mau bintang 5.
Oke, kan ceritanya kelas 10. Biar ini.
Everybody, let's rehab.
okay now I'm from group 1
Okay.
want to present about my project worksheet 2. It is my dream career or our dream career. What career does your group choose? The answer is English teacher.
English teacher.
Okay. Second is why you choose this career because we want to be integrators. And the skills are needed to this career is communication skills, providing the materials, and understanding the current university students. And what subject are important for this career is English language.
Okay.
Then my future plan, that is our future plan in this year, would like in grade 10 grade is we are going to finish this semester with the good grade.
Okay.
In grade 11 is we plan to do something fun with our friends. And grade 12 we want to be the best students in our angkatan, bisa angkatan
Batch.
our batch. Yes, and after graduation we want to be UGM students. Ini waktu jadi university training we want to finish the university with 4 IPK.
Okay.
5 years later we want to be we want to have a good career.
Okay.
Whatever the career, and 10 years later we want to have a happy family and mom, father, good for our kids.
Okay. Reflection.
One important
step
to achieve your dream career.
Yes.
I think we have to know what the goals, what we want to achieve. So we have to plan from the start what we want to achieve and learn and learn.
Okay.
And reflection to berserah diri kepada Allah.
Okay.
Tawa.
Our goal.
Okay, thank you so much.
Miss.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Give applause for Ryan. Maybe a little bit feedback from
Yes.
me about the presentation and also about the worksheet. First of all, you already use the like what is it? The feature language, like you going to plan to, and when you have a presentation before, we also use one two. That's really good. And then maybe some feedback for the pronunciation. This is future and achieve.
It's not scary.
Yeah, okay.
That's good.
Okay, but that's all good. Because you really brave to go to in front, so you get 1 star point.
Yay!
Okay, Raihana, you get 4. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all for me, guys. And then I think you guys will be more active for the next meeting, so you can get the star point. Yeah. And then we need to do our reflection. Okay.
Oh,
The reflection.
Okay,
Three
what to do?
things.
Oh, okay.
3 things I understand. 3 things you understand today.
Formula.
Formula.
The
And then
expression.
the expression also. And then
Plan for
plan.
Plan.
Oh, to make plan. Okay, so you have 3 that you learned today, and then 2 things I need to practice. What do you think? What you need to practice to improve yourself?
Grammar for making the sentence.
Make a
Okay.
plan.
And then
Yeah.
Practice
make a
to
plan.
make a plan.
Okay, grammar and make a plan. Okay, that's good. And then, do you have any question?
Apanya?
No, it's clear.
It's clear? It's clear. Okay. And then the last one. Let your mood today. 1, 2, 5.
3.
3. What is that? No, it's like.
No, it's not sad.
What is that?
Ya udah.
It's one.
Where is one?
Which one?
One.
Zero.
Why?
Five or
Oh.
yeah, somewhere.
Oh. Oh.
Bahasa Arab.
Oh, bahasa Arab.
Okay. Thank you so
6
much.
minutes.
6.
Oh.
So that's like.
Ah, gila itu.
Okay. Thank you, class. And then for next week, we would like to learn about giving opinion. Okay. So be ready for try to like it's like a debater, like yeah, giving opinion. And then let's we close our today lesson by reciting Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.